Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Xcode and Python 3 are installed because you'll bridge them next. Once done, open Xcode and create a new command line tool project. Choose C or Swift as a placeholder. You then add a run script build phase to the target, so Xcode can invoke Python 3. Make sure to point the script to the Python 3 binary path and save the project. This gets you into an actionable workspace where Xcode can execute Python scripts directly. You now configure the build phase to run your Python file during build time, and that's where the how and why connect. Add a run script build phase in your target, then insert the full Python 3 path and the script file name. This ensures the correct interpreter runs. Once done, declare input and output files to keep Xcode's incremental builds efficient and make the script executable. You do this to integrate Python outputs into the build artifacts, and to debug errors in Xcode. You run the build and inspect the Xcode build log to see Python output and tracebacks. That's how you test behavior quickly. If you need interaction, write outputs to files or run the Python script manually in terminal with the same Python 3 path. Once done, fix common issues by verifying the interpreter path, running chmod plus X on your script, and installing required pip packages in the same Python environment. If things still fail, check Xcode's environment variables and rerun the build to capture fresh errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.